A really good starting point if you want to start reducing plastic, and this is how I started, was with my grocery shopping. I realized that a lot of the plastic that I use came from the food that I ate, and I consider myself to be a pretty conscious eater. I eat very healthy, but I realized that all these fruits and vegetables and nuts and healthy foods came wrapped in plastic. So I started doing a little bit of research on how I could reduce that, and it's obviously using reusables. So when I go grocery shopping, I go prepared. I bring lots of reusable bags, drawstring bags for bulk foods like rice and beans and granola, sugar, chickpeas, all different types of bulk foods. I bring jars at certain stores that allow you to use jars for bulk food items like peanut butter and oils and soy sauce. And fruits and vegetables a lot of times do come wrapped in plastic, so that's a choice that I make at the grocery store. There's a bag of apples that comes in a plastic bag, and the loose apples, I'll just use a reusable bag and buy the loose apples. And there's a lot of small choices like that that I make when I go grocery shopping. I try to avoid plastics, find alternatives. You can buy a lot of fruits and vegetables in bulk, like mushrooms. I started shopping this way, and that's when I really started getting into living more plastic free. And once you get into the habit, it's really easy. You bring your bags to the store, and there's also the option of buying in glass or paper or other recyclable materials that are renewable. This was the start for me, and I know for a lot of other people who live this lifestyle. And after I got into the habit of that, I started doing more plastic free in my home and out and about. But this was a really good way of getting started and making a big difference in my own personal waste.